Capital One saving account versus American Express saving account. Today we are going to demonstrate the difference between Capital One saving account and American Express saving account. So in order to do that, I have this small table which will demonstrate the difference. So the first thing that we will talk about is annual percentage yield. So Capital One savings account varies, its annual percentage yield varies, typically comparative. And if you talk about American Express, the same thing. If we talk about minimum deposit, both have none of the restrictions on that. If you talk about monthly fees, both doesn't have any monthly fees. If you talk about the ATM access, Capital One does have limited ATM access, while American Express does not have any ATM access. If you talk about mobile app, both of these have mobile applications. If you talk about customer services, both have 24 by 7 customer services. If you talk about account protection, both have FDIC insured. Now, if we talk about the overdraft protection, your additional features, the Capital One does have overdraft protection feature available. While if we talk about American Express, it is linked to American Express credit for additional benefits. So that's very much it. Hope you guys find this video helpful.